Consumer Reports just dropped their 2026 rankings, and let me tell you, it is a total bloodbath for the big luxury brands. They've identified 7 specific vehicles that earned near-perfect scores, and the #1 pick. It is not what anyone in the industry expected, but here is the part that is truly shocking. 3 of these SUVs have been deliberately kept off the bestseller lists by dealerships who make way more money steering you toward a model that breaks down every 6 months. Today, I'm the Auto Watchdog, and I'm breaking down the countdown from 7 to 1. Each vehicle on this list gets more controversial, and by the time we hit number 3, I'll expose exactly why mechanics are secretly buying these for their own families. Stick around for the reveal of number 1 because it's being called the SUV that embarrassed an entire industry. If you miss it, you'll never know what you're actually paying for at the dealership. Starting at number 7, the Mazda CX-50. This SUV earned a near-perfect reliability score, but here's the twist. It's the car that almost never happened. Mazda nearly killed this project 3 separate times during development because their own accountant said building an SUV this well would cost way too much for the target price point. But Mazda's engineering team went rogue and overbuilt almost every single component. We're talking about optimized structural integrity engineering, which is a fancy way of saying the suspension is designed for a vehicle weighing 800 pounds more than this one actually does. The engine mounts are triple reinforced when competitors like Ford or Nissan use cheap single-layer rubber designs. They engineered this like they were preparing for an apocalypse. The result? Owner-reported problems are 73% lower than the segment average. But dealerships hate selling these. You want to know why? The profit margins are razor thin because Mazda refuses to cheap out on the parts that matter. Salespeople will try to steer you toward a CX-5 or even a competitor, calling the CX-50 underpowered. But the data tells a different story. It has a bulletproof 6-speed transmission that was tested for 500,000 miles before production. Most brands stop testing at 150,000. Mazda went 3 times further, and it shows. Inside, it feels like a $70,000 German sedan, but with one major catch: no touchscreen. Mazda thinks touchscreens are a dangerous distraction, so they went old school with physical knobs. Owners report 94% satisfaction because, turns out, knobs actually work and they never glitch out in the middle of a highway. Number 6 is where things get expensive. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. It earned a 91 reliability score, but the mystery is that the powertrain is technically 15 years old. This is Toyota's secret weapon: boredom. They perfected the hybrid technology in 2008 and refused to change it. While other brands are chasing cutting-edge, risky tech that fails after 2 years, Toyota builds refined, boring systems that refuse to die. You're getting 36 miles per gallon in a massive 3-row SUV, which shouldn't be possible by the laws of physics, but they found a loophole using planetary gear sets that virtually eliminate energy loss. The conflict here is at the dealership. They will push you toward the non-hybrid version, telling you that you'll never save enough on gas to make up the $8,000 price gap. What they won't tell you is that the hybrid has a 98% battery survival rate over 10 years, and its resale value is over 20% higher than the gas version. When you look at the total cost of ownership, the hybrid is actually $4,000 cheaper over 5 years. Toyota can't build them fast enough, so watch out for dealers who lure you in with a hybrid listing just to bait and switch you into a gas model. It's the IKEA of SUVs, durable, simple, and slightly boring, but it works flawlessly for 300,000 miles. Coming in at number 5 is the Subaru Outback. Mechanics secretly buy these for their families, and there is a reason 87% of Outback owners buy another one. That isn't just brand loyalty, it's a total addiction to reliability. It looks like a station wagon that went to CrossFit, but function beats fashion at Subaru. They use a symmetrical all-wheel drive system that splits power 50-50 front to rear at all times. Almost every other competitor uses a front-biased system that only kicks the rear wheels in when you're already slipping. Subaru's approach gives you superior traction 100% of the time, but it costs more to manufacture. It has an 89 reliability score because, honestly, the engine is slow. But here is the plot twist you need to understand. Slow acceleration creates high reliability. Since the engine isn't stressed or turbocharged to the moon, it lasts forever. While turbocharged rivals are running at 90% capacity just to keep up with traffic, this engine cruises at 60%. It's built to survive 250,000 miles in a harsh climate. Plus, it has 8.7 inches of ground clearance, higher than many heavy-duty SUVs, meaning it can go anywhere a Jeep can for half the maintenance cost. If you want a car that refuses to brake, you have to accept that it won't win many drag races. Number 4 is where luxury meets obsession, the Lexus RX 350. It has been the best-selling luxury SUV for 14 straight years because Lexus uses psychological warfare against its rivals. They don't prioritize being the fastest. They prioritize long-term peace of mind. Every single component, from the door handles to the seat adjusters, is tested for 100,000 cycles before it is ever installed in a car. It uses a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 that enthusiasts call numb, but owners report 96% satisfaction because it never ever breaks. Most engines today are miniaturized and turbocharged, leading to high heat and failure. Lexus stayed with a big, simple V6 that just hums along. The RX 350 has library-level quietness because Lexus uses acoustic glass on every window, not just the windshield. They added sound-deadening material that weighs an extra 120 pounds just to make sure you can't hear the world outside. This weight hurts the fuel economy, but it creates a driving experience that rivals $100,000 vehicles. You pay more upfront, but you lose almost nothing in resale value after 5 years. While a BMW or Mercedes loses 60% of its value in 3 years, the Lexus holds onto your money like a vault. At number 3, we have the Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV flips the script on how engines work. It uses electric motors as the primary power and the engine only as a generator to charge them. It creates instant torque with zero lag, delivering 40 miles per gallon in a massive family vehicle. Dealerships hate these because hybrids require significantly less maintenance, less oil changes, less brake wear because of regenerative braking, and that means less money for their service departments. Honda's hard plastic interior might feel budget compared to a Mazda, but their engineers found that soft-touch plastics peel, crack, and turn into a sticky mess in hot climates. They chose durability over a fancy first impression. It handles better than the gas version because the battery placement lowers the center of gravity, making it the better driving car by accident. This is the SUV that mechanics recommend to people who never want to see a mechanic. It is the gold standard of practical, reliable transportation. Number 2 is the vehicle that embarrassed the German luxury brands, the Mazda CX-90. It starts under $40,000 but feels like it should cost $60,000. It uses a turbocharged inline-6 engine that feels like a smooth, effortless V8. German brands charge a massive premium for engines this refined, and Mazda just put it in a family SUV. It has a massive towing capacity of 5,600 pounds and a brake-by-wire system so smooth you can't feel the transition from electric to mechanical braking. The ride quality is where Mazda shocked everyone. They tuned the suspension for European refinement, which means it is firm but controlled. Passengers report less motion sickness than in softer-riding competitors. It is a masterclass in chassis tuning. Demand is so insane that dealers are marking these up by $5,000 to $10,000. Mazda has even threatened to cut their shipments to dealers who price gouge, but it's still happening because the car is just that good. It is the only 3-row SUV that drives like a sports sedan. Finally, number 1, the Toyota RAV4 Prime. This is the SUV that broke every rule. It is a plug-in hybrid that is faster than a Porsche Macan, doing 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds with 300 horsepower. It has 42 miles of pure electric range, meaning the average American can go months without ever visiting a gas station. And here is the kicker. You can use the car to power your house during a blackout. It's a backup generator that also happens to be a near-perfect SUV. The waiting lists are 2 years long because Toyota accidentally created the perfect bridge between gas and electric. It handles better than the regular RAV4 because the heavy battery is under the floor, and its long-term reliability is predicted to be among the best Toyota has ever built. Most plug-in hybrids are a reliability nightmare because of the added complexity, but Toyota figured it out. These 7 SUVs have owner loyalty rates above 80%, meaning once you buy one, you'll never go back to anything else. Salespeople will talk trash about these models to protect their commissions, but the data doesn't lie. If this saved you from a $50,000 mistake, hit that subscribe button. I'm the Auto Watchdog, and I'll see you in the next one.